Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I was reading over some of the deals that the US government made with Japan, and there was something that caught my eye. It's not just that we made a deal with them and got that worked out. I mean, certainly just that soundbite alone is one of the things that really drove up the market. But the thing that I found kind of interesting and kind of actionable is that one of the things that is part of the deal is, well, for Japan to open its markets and buy more stuff from the US. But one of the things that was specifically mentioned was military stuff. I started thinking about that, and I thought of some other things that were being talked about recently, and one was the use of drones and eVTOLs, that's electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. And I started thinking, well, what would be a good stock play for this? And there certainly are some. There's a lot. One that I was just looking at is Joby Aviation, symbol JOBY. And that stock's on a huge tear, up 200% from where it was just 3 months ago. Now, this stock certainly could have benefited from some short squeeze activity, which is something that we talk about all the time. In fact, you may or may not have attended the free online training that I did on short squeezes. If you didn't, make sure you check your email inbox for that invitation. I am doing an encore of that tomorrow, I think. If not, just go to markettaker.com/reg. But I look at this, and this is one of these companies, they're still sort of what I would think of as startup because they don't have positive earnings just yet. As you can see, last quarter they lost 11 cents. Quarter before that they lost 34 cents. So, that's getting kind of better. And as these companies get more contracts with the US government and more contracts with our trading partners under new trading deals, this could be a real tangible play. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that Joby is the greatest play of all the contenders in the field, but it's one that certainly sparked a great deal of interest and probably a pretty big short squeeze recently. It is a sub-industry that really deserves some attention right now. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.